This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Schnepper. Like new townhome in great location, with only one owner and impeccably maintained. The first floor has an open floor plan, great for entertaining with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. The second floor has two spacious bedrooms with a large guest bathroom and the laundry room. The top floor belongs to the private primary bedroom with large ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. This end-unit townhome has one of the more private locations toward the back of the neighborhood. Owner also installed a GE water filtration system in 2016. Close to town center bases and highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Amanda Schnepper at 757-918-9566.